Hi, I'm Chroma Doctor from Young & Chromis. I'm going to provide the easiest operation tutorial for aquapuri essence system. Through the LCD of aquapuri essence, you can find these information at a glance. With a service button, you can go to service menu, and there are 4 functions available. Select RO Ion is only available with 382 and 383 models. You can choose RO or Ion water with RO Ion button. Flush function is required for filter flushing, to keep the water quality, when producing lots of water for a long time. Once you press select button, filter flushing will be conducted for 30 counts. Pressure down is required when replacing parts or consumables like tubings and valves. Also, you need to run this when high pressure error message is displayed. Pressing Sell It button, the system will be depressurized for 20 counts. In the standby, automatic flush will be run every 30 minutes for 6 counts to keep the water quality stable. Once you press OPST button, the state will be changed to Operate to produce water. In Operate state, you can monitor both temperature and water quality, and even the internal pressure by pressing RO Ion button. Easy, huh?